have got a lot of power in here.
Got a little bit.
You tell us a little bit about the build?
4 PSI 18 platform 5s.
Okay.
And 4 sand digital 12Ks on them, one on each sub. And a 520 amp hour battery. It's got 26 amp hour cells in it.
You saying 12K per sub?
Yeah.
What are you clamping out of them?
We ain't even clamped it yet, man.
Oh, okay,
We put it
gotcha.
on the meter one time and come up here.
Gotcha.
We're gonna do all that.
What's the battery again?
A 520 amp hour.
Okay.
Just 26 amp hour cells.
Gotcha. Nice, man. Nice build. Nice and solid.
It's definitely solid.
Are you shooting for numbers in this one?
A little bit.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Not like 65 or anything. I'm looking for a 60 and I'll be done.
Gotcha. 60 on a no wall. Nice.
That's what we like when we're from down there. We like to get about 60. I mean, we get more and more, but
Yeah.
Everything is gone. I'm still all alone.
That shakes your neck a little bit now. I'm gonna have to go get surgery.
oh, Lord. Appreciate it, man.
Hey, I appreciate you, man. Tell us your name. What's your name?
Tommy Dooley.
Tommy. All right, Poppa T, man. Nice to meet you. Hey, make sure y'all get down in the comments and let them know what you think about this build. Golly. Hitting. Yeah, man.
Hold up. Watch me. Hold up.